It is hard to think of the word Christmas in July, but we do need to plan, and we have some delightful new workshops for you which should give you some more sewing time. We were joined recently in the studio by Nancy Adamek, who is passionate about English paper piecing, and so we have this delightful little robin tree ornament. We also have a cantler tree decoration from Angela Damond. And Gail Pemberthy shares with us how to make this stunning Christmas tree skirt. Val Nesbitt brings us a lovely new Christmas wall hanging from Makawa, which will work with a whole variety of fabric ranges and has a free pattern to download. And Julia Gehagen will be showing us some super miniature quilts inspired by Christmas, which includes several designed exclusively for our upcoming retreat with Julia in November of this year. Our Throwback Thursday for July is Jenny Raymond and her fabric balls using up scraps, which could be Christmas themed as they are very safe for the little ones. This month Valerie Nesbitt tackles both a folded pot holder and a workshop on the cut 9-patch pattern. And Lorna Bateman, who is author of our book of the month, Embroidered Country Gardens, shows us in this very comprehensive demonstration how to create these flower stems with just embroidery stitching that she uses in her book and the supporting kits. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.